Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you OCam, an open source tool that lets you use your Android phone as a high-quality camera source inside OBS Studio, using either USB or a wireless connection. We'll go through the full setup process, from downloading the latest Windows release to running a demo and adjusting settings inside OBS. To get started, open the OCam GitHub repository. Go to Releases, and download the latest version. Extract the zip file anywhere on your system. Before running the setup, ensure OBS Studio is installed and that ADB is available on your system. On your device, enable developer options, turn on USB debugging, and connect via USB or Wi-Fi. On Windows, double-click Run.bat to open the interactive setup menu. First, select Fetch Latest Release to download and extract the newest OCam package from GitHub. Then choose Install Android App to automatically install the app onto your phone using ADB. Next, copy the OBS plugin folder into OBS's plugins directory. Open OBS Studio and add a new source by clicking the plus icon, then select OCam source. With the source added, open the OCam app on your Android phone. Once the connection is established, the live camera feed will appear in OBS. You can now start streaming or recording in OBS with or without audio. After the connection is stable, you can adjust settings by right-clicking the OCam source in OBS and opening Properties. From here, you can change resolution, frame rate, bitrate, enable the flash, or adjust manual camera controls like focus and exposure. Thanks for watching.